Hi there! Today I'm going to show you how I put these simple prints on some canvas bags. The first design is Mario riding Yoshi, and the second design is from Dragon Ball Z. Both are my kids' choices. So first I'm going to get the first canvas tote, put it on my mat, and preheat it for just a few seconds. I have the EasyPress set to 305 degrees. And I just want to make sure there's no wrinkles, there's no moisture. And then I'm going to have my assistant place the heat transfer vinyl onto the canvas tote. My assistant is my son, who requested this design. And there he is saying hello. And this design I purchased off of Etsy with many others, I think for $2. So this is a pretty easy craft to do, and also last minute. So here's a thumbs up from my assistant. We're good to go. He wanted to do one more. Awesome. Let's press this. So here's the Teflon sheet going down with my assistant. And now we're going to press at 305 degrees for 30 seconds. And this is a bag that's going to be used for Easter egg hunting. And I realized my kids don't have baskets, so I decided to make them bags instead. And so now I'm going to check and see how the heat transfer vinyl has adhered. And I'm peeling back slowly, and I realize that the heat transfer vinyl near the tops are starting to peel back. So instead of continuing to peel, I'm going to press again. So here's the Teflon sheet, and here we are pressing. I'm trying to focus on the areas where I saw the heat transfer vinyl lifting, but I don't want to overpress. So I'm going to peel back. First, I'm going to cool off the bag a little bit because it does get hot. And then I'm going to peel back the carrier sheet, and it's lifting again. So we're going to press again. So there's the Teflon sheet. Here we are pressing. And I'm really trying to focus on the area near Yoshi's eyes and then Mario's cape, I guess it is. I don't know what it is. All right, so let's see if it's deciding to stay. Okay, so I'm peeling that back. And his eye lifted a little, but the rest of his nose is peeling back fine, or staying fine, and the carrier sheet is peeling back. So I'm deciding to just go for it, and if I have to do a final press and focus on that area, then I will, because I don't want to keep pressing over and over on the spots that are laying down fine and risk burning that area. Okay, so I'm just going to press down a little bit to make sure the vinyl is in the place where it should be. And there's the Teflon sheet. And let's go ahead and press one more time. So 305 degrees on the EasyPress. And I'm not going to press the full 30 seconds, but I will concentrate on that area. Okay, so let's lift back the Teflon sheet and take a look at it. I think it looks pretty good. And there's the final bag. Thumbs up for my assistant. He's happy with it. Hope he enjoys using it. So here's the second bag. I'm just going to preheat it. And first I'm going to lay down the design, which I really like. I think it looks awesome, but I'm starting to second guess the positioning of it. I'm not familiar with how this needs to look, so I needed to ask my older son exactly which way this is supposed to go. So I just preheat the tote bag like I did with the first one, and I kept every setting the same on the EasyPress. And excuse this angle, it's not the best, but it's what we have. So here's the design, and I got confirmation that this is the way it's supposed to go. So I went ahead and laid down the Teflon sheet and started to press. And so this design is a circle that my press didn't fit all the way over. So I'm just trying to rotate where I'm focusing the pressing. And, you know, I just want to make sure everything stays down where it should be. So I did a few extra seconds that weren't on the timer. So now I'm going to pull back from the corner. And everything is staying put where it needs to be. This one was so easy to do, so much easier than the Mario design. And everything is going smoothly until I get to that bottom corner and I see some lifting and I started to freak out a little bit. So that's why there's no original audio on this video, or you'd hear me saying, "Oh no!" There it is. So I just went back and kind of pressed it down with my finger, knowing that I'm going to go back and repress it to make sure that it's going to stick well. But I think it looks great. It's a beautiful design to have on this tote bag. So there's the Teflon sheet, and let's do one more press at 305 degrees. And I'm going to focus on that little area so that I don't burn the rest of the design. Okay. And there it is. I think it looks awesome, and I hope my son uses it even after Easter. He probably won't, but I can wish. And there's the final Mario tote for my assistant Eric, and there's the Dragon Ball tote for Jacob, and there they are together. So thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Please like it, give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.